Hello, I'm Josh Wheeler, the CEO of Lightstream Marketing, and it's time to finally cut through the smoke. Let's start by defining what a business is. The definition of a business, according to the dictionary, is the practice of making one's living through commerce. Well, wasn't that helpful? No, I didn't think so either. Here is my definition. A business is simply a group of systems working together to provide customers value at a profit. But what are those systems? Well, they will vary from business to business, but there are a few that 99% of businesses have in common. Number 1, owner's mindset. Number 2, leadership and management. Number 3, sales. Number 4, marketing. Number 5, cash flow and accounting. Number 6, operations and delivery. Number 7, customer service. Number 8, legal and insurance. Number 9, team and human resources. And number 10, product and service offerings. Whenever I see a business not meeting its owner's goals, I know there is a problem in one of these 10 areas. Let's keep things simple and go back to our definition. A business is simply a group of systems working together to provide customers value at a profit. While I could spend months talking at length about each of these 10 areas, the area I see the most problem with is marketing. Why? Because if customers are coming in and buying your products, the rest of them can be solved pretty easily with the money generated from sales. The hardest part is getting people in the door. Once they do business with you, as long as you do a good job, you'll likely have a customer for life. And they give you word of mouth referral business. So what is the best way to get more customers through marketing? Is it Facebook ads, Google ads, email marketing, networking, direct mail, word of mouth, or something else? We will look at each for their effectiveness by putting them in 2 categories. The 2 primary categories of marketing are interruption marketing and attraction marketing. Interruption marketing. You are in a bar and you see a good-looking girl talking to her friends. You walk over and ask her out. This is interruption marketing. She was minding her own business and you interrupted her. While this works 1 to 2% of the time, it has a low return on investment. Some examples of this type of marketing is Facebook ads, direct mail, and networking events. Now let's look at attraction marketing. You're in a bar and you see a good-looking girl talking to her friends. She is currently looking for a new boyfriend. Just then, you make eye contact and smile at her. She sees you, finds you attractive, and walks over to give you her number. This is attraction marketing. You are sending signals to her that you're available. She finds you attractive and she came to you. We all remember that guy in high school who could do this. And that is who you want to be in business. This type of marketing can have 1,000% more ROI. Some examples of this type of marketing is Google ads and search engine optimization, or SEO. If you could only choose one, which would it be? I would choose attraction marketing any day. While I can't get into all of the details on this short video, the basic premise of attraction marketing is that people use Google to search for services and products from local businesses. You want your business to show up first, because the higher you show up in Google, the more people see your business and the more customers you get. In fact, 95% of all sales go to the businesses on the first page, and a massive 55% goes to the top 3 search results. So what does this mean? If a potential customer searches for divorce attorney near me, this person is looking to hire a lawyer right now. 55% of the thousands of people doing this search will go to the top 3 results. So if 1,000 people search for divorce attorney near me, the number 1 result will get 350 new clients. Number 2 gets 150, 3 gets 50, and so on through 10. And the rest of the businesses are left fighting over 50 clients. And this is what happens every month, month in and month out. The few at the top kill it, and the rest of the businesses barely survive. Has this been your experience? Is it crazy to think you could change it? What if you were on top? You could be. I've created a free Facebook group where I help business owners learn how to market their business. It's called the Lightstream Marketing Business Accelerator. It's free to join, and I hold a call twice a week to answer questions from our members. Plus, my team and I answer questions submitted in the group every day. If you want to join, click the button below and join our group. I'll see you in the group.